Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen where I make restaurant quality food or better from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay, today we're going to have a delicious crispy deep fried pork chop. And I marinate these pork chops today in some Hellmann's mayonnaise and some mustard. That's it. I let them marinate for about a good 2 hours. Then I got some seasoning. This seasoning right here is some seasoning that I already had from making my lemon pepper wings. And all I did was, and you can go back and follow that procedure to making this. And then all I did extra was this, to this was putting some like a tablespoon of poultry seasoning. That's all I did to this. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this pork chop that's been marinated. We're going to put that in the bag like so. Alright. And we're going to toss this bad boy around, coat it up real good. Now, what I do, I leave it in there. I wanted this coat, have a thick coat to it. So we take this other side, put that in there. Alright. Try to make a pocket like that so it won't be all over the bag. Just shake it up like so. Like that. And all the flour is back at the top. These pork chops are just regular standard size pork chops. Okay? I mean, you can do it to any. You can do your chicken like this as well. I did not season the pork chop because the seasoning is in the bag. See how I do that? So it won't be all on the side. When you get it in there, shake it. Pass it around like so. Flour at the top again. Do our last one. And when I tell you these ones are delicious, whoo, you need to try it. If you guys new here, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing you restaurant quality foods all the time, from my home to yours. I do this so you won't have to go out, you and your family won't have to go out and go to restaurants and buy a whole bunch of expensive meals when you can make it at home. I ain't saying not to go out to a restaurant, but there are times if you don't have the money and you can do it at home. And I guarantee your wife or your husband, sister, brother, grandmama, whoever, they will love these recipes. Alright, we're going to let this sit in this bag. You see how it's getting cooked? We're going to let this sit in the bag for about 10 minutes. Get my grease going. And then we're going to go ahead and drop them in there. Probably 1 or 2 of them at a time. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, here's what we got here. I have some sauce going over here. And some spaghetti noodles that I'm about to go ahead and change out. And when this grease warm up, I'll be back, okay? Okay guys, I'm back. Go ahead and grab my flour mixture. Shake it up again. And we're going to knock off some of that excess flour. Now this oil I'm cooking it in is peanut oil. Same peanut oil I use all the time. I believe the more you cook in that peanut oil, the flavor for your food will be. Now peanut oil you can recycle. So we're going to just stick that one in there like that. Okay. Well, with number 2, let that one get on there pretty good. Okay, and we're going to slide that one in there, like so. Alright. Alright. See, some of it kind of over the top, so don't fill yours up too much. But just some of y'all wondering why they do and cook in his deep fryer. Costs money to cook in that deep fry. I'm gonna show you the deep fry. That's the deep fry right there. All right, it's a turkey fry. I gotta use a lot of oil for that. About like maybe like 2.5 of these right here. With these 1 gallons. So this is the peanut oil right here that I'm using. Very valuable. You just want to shake that just a little bit, make sure it ain't sticking together. Shake that out. Okay. Ain't doing too bad. Flip that one over. I don't want to cook too fast. Alright. Then let that go ahead and cook. And finish up in here in this kitchen. And I'll be back. Okay, as I'm back, we're going to check on this. Get up under there. You won't cook your pork chop for long periods of time because you'll dry them out, okay? So I'll say mine will cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes, about 4 to 5 minutes rather. I won't cook it too long. But it will dry out. I don't know about you, but I don't want no tough pork chop. It's like I don't want tough steak. Alright. Just like that. This will probably be my last time using this grease. The peanut oil you can use for a long time, as long as you filter it out. I mean, you got some real good flavor into that peanut oil. Especially when you're cooking in it. Okay. I'm gonna let that cook. And I'll show you how they're gonna look when we get back. Alright. Okay guys, I'm taking those last ones out. I can leave that one in there. I gotta get the plate. Take that, put that in there. That's my piece right there. Okay, flip that over. We'll turn this off. And I'll see you guys over there. Okay guys, there you have it. Delicious, crispy, deep fried pork chop. From my home to yours. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Veldog signing out.